ये सब जरा एक सेकंड के लिए अपन कैमरास वगैरह बंद कर लेंगे, क्योंकि पीछे से भी जो अपने जो टीवी के कैमरास हैं, क्योंकि आदेश श्रीवास्तव का तो आपको पता ही सबको, तो एक हम ही लोगों में बस 1 मिनट का कोई साइलेंस रख लेते हैं, बट इसको टीवी वगैरह पे दिखाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि खामखा वो फील वो मर जाता है, ऐसा लगने के ये हम लोगों ने कुछ मिलकर किया है मोमेंट को, तो इसको सब बंद कर देते हैं और 1 मिनट का हम बस साइलेंस रख लेते हैं आदेश श्रीवास्तव के लिए।
स्टेज पर जहां जाते हैं वहां पर एक धमाका होता है। वेल
कमाल, अभी क्या कर रहे थे, मूड चेंज कर दिया क्या इंडस्ट्री हमारी है।
सलमान,
सब फर्जी लोग हैं हम लोग।
90s के दशक में
हमारे जाने के बाद भी ऐसे ही होगा क्या? सुभाष जी, शो मस्ट गो ऑन, करेक्ट बात है।
A big round of applause, I think, for Subhash ji for saying that the show must go on.
शोमैन तो सुभाष जी हैं हमारे।
सलमान, 90s के वक्त एसपी साहब के साथ आपके बहुत सारे गाने थे। अब ये एक ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने किसी एक्टर को अपनी आवाज लेंड की है एंड मोर देन 12 मिलियन हिट्स ऑन यूट्यूब, वायरल हो चुका है ये गाना। सभी लोग, एवरीवनस लाइक, सलमान खान ने गाया गाना, सलमान खान ने गाया, यूफोरिया अराउंड यू इज क्रेजी।
मतलब इतनी ताज्जुब की बात है ये? नहीं। किसी को मेरे टैलेंट पे अभी तक कोई यकीन ही नहीं है। और जिसको यकीन है वो यकीन मैं तोड़ दूंगा आज, क्योंकि ये सब बेवकूफ लोग मेरी टीम के मुझे आज रात को इस मंच पर गवा रहे हैं और एक्सपोज कर रहे हैं मुझे। इन्होंने मुझे रात फतेह अली खान समझ लिया, रात ही नहीं दे रहे मुझे कुछ। कमाल लोग। लेकिन मैं आपको पहले से एडवांस ये छापने अपने की जरूरत नहीं भाई, ये +1 पे ही गाऊंगा, समझे?
सलमान, थोड़ा बताइए हुआ कैसे?
What do you think they're fools or what? They'll not know that I'm singing on +1. हाँ? या तो एड लिप गा लूं, लेकिन वो सुर में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है यार वो। और यहाँ पे तो मेलोडाइन है नहीं, ना ऑटो ट्यून है, ना रिवर्ब, ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिवर्ब डाल दे, और लाइन लाइन में गा नहीं सकते। यहाँ पे अमल मलिक नहीं है, ना ही हिमेश रेशमिया है जो एक लाइन गाता है फिर मैं उसके बाद गाता हूं, 15 बार गाना पड़ता है। थोड़ी हमने इनकी तरह टाइम वेस्ट किया है, सारे पता नहीं कहां इतने सालों से सारे गामा ही लगे पड़े। रियाज भाई रियाज कर रहे हैं, हमें रियाज भाई का कोई शौक नहीं है।
जैसे आपने कहा वो प्रैक्टिस होता है, मेरे को भी ऐसे बोला था कि यही सवाल पूछना, इससे ज्यादा एक पूछा तो निकाल देंगे। तो मैं आपको यही सवाल पूछूंगा। सर, ये गाना हुआ कैसे?
सर क्या है कि आजकल सिंगर्स की जो सुभाष जी, आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, आप इस इंडस्ट्री में मुझसे पहले हैं, आपने इतना हिट म्यूजिक दिया है, तो एक सिंगर आता है, उसको एक गाना मिलता है, और फिर वो सिंगर किसी और ही लेवल पे चला जाता है, और फिर उसके दिमाग खराब हो जाते हैं। करेक्ट बात है? वो उसको ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे बाद कोई आएगा नहीं, और फिर वो जब चला जाता है, वो जाना बड़ा सैड होता है। वो जाना इसलिए होता है कि उसके दिमाग खराब हो गए। तो जैसे कि हम वेरी रिप्लेसेबल हैं, इनको ऐसा लगता है कि ये इररिप्लेसेबल है, हालांकि हम सब बड़े ही रिप्लेसेबल है। अब सो दैट दे डोंट गो थ्रू दिस बैड फेज, दैट इज द रीजन, और कि दिमाग ना खराब हो, दैट इज द रीजन। मैंने इन पे एक ऐसा किया कि ये सलमान खान, जैसे योर रिएक्शन कि अगर सलमान खान गा सकता है तो कोई भी गा सकता है, दैट इज इट। आजकल के इतने नए नए बच्चे आ रहे हैं इन ऑल दीज टीवी प्रोग्राम्स, दे सिंग हिज सॉन्ग्स आल्सो बेटर देन हिम। करेक्ट बात है कि नहीं? सो देयर इज सो मच ऑफ टैलेंट एंड ओनली दोज मेनी फ्यू फिल्म्स आर मेड. हर फिल्म के 3, 4, 5, 6 गाने हैं. किसी को चांस मिल जाता है, किसी को नहीं मिलता है. तो जो चांस का जो रिस्पेक्ट है वो कायम रहना चाहिए.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा.
सो दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई.
पर ये सिंगर के साथ नहीं, एक्टर के साथ भी ऐसा होना
जी हाँ सर, मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है सर.
आपने मेंटेन किया है.
हाँ सर, मैं भी गया हूँ नीचे, संभल के आया हूँ, फिर वापस ये पागल हो गया हूँ, फिर वापस से गया हूँ, फिर वापस वो 3-4 बार डुबकी मैंने भी मारी है सर.
थैंक यू सलमान. आपका इस पूरे म्यूजिक एल्बम में कंट्रीब्यूशन बेसिकली कितना रहा है?
सर कंट्रीब्यूशन तो इन्हीं का रहा है सर, निखिल अडवाणी साहब का. एंड डायरेक्टर हैं तो द फाइनल चॉइस ऑफ सॉन्ग्स वर हिज. तो हर गाने के, हर सिचुएशन के 3-3, 4-4, 5-5 गाने थे. एंड ही सिलेक्टेड द बेस्ट फ्रॉम दैट.
ऑल्सो सॉरी,
obviously the music has picked up and has become a big hit. And I think कहीं ना कहीं हमसे ये चूक हो गई है कि हमको ये म्यूजिक करीबन 4 महीने पहले रिलीज कर लेना चाहिए था. That as producers we have messed up on that, because इससे फायदा फिल्म को, सो डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर को नहीं मिलेगा, but the music is going to do well. The hero heroine are going to benefit from the music. It's going to be played on television, radio वगैरह. So they're going to be called musical stars or action hero, जो भी है उनकी डेस्टिनी इस फ्राइडे के बाद. और सबसे ज्यादा फायदा होगा इस आदमी को यहाँ पर, नन्नू. बहुत अच्छा है सर. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि वी डू म्यूजिक ना, म्यूजिक का पब्लिसिटी, एंड देन आवर म्यूजिक बेनिफिट्स फ्रॉम दैट. इन्होंने गेम चेंज कर दिया है कि the music comes in, benefits his music. The film comes in, it benefits his music. तभी क्या लाइफ स्पैन क्या है फिल्म की? अगर चली गई जैसे कि बजरंगी भाईजान did what 50 days, it's going out now. So that's बड़ी से बड़ी पिक्चर इतना ही बिजनेस करेगी. So I think that we need that slightly more time for music, especially in a love story. हमारी पिक्चरों के अंदर ठीक है, for all the 5-6 songs to become hits, we need that much of time. But इन्होंने इस short time के अंदर इन्होंने बहुत ही concentrate किया है इस music के ऊपर, and he's very happy with the music, and बस इसको promote किए जाओ इस music को.
Absolutely, sir.
Because their whole life depends on the music and on this film, Atiya and Suraj's. So we're giving it our best. He's giving it his best. Bhushan, Subhashji has given us his best film hero. Nikhil has done his best work so far, I feel. And as producers, we've tried to leave no stone unturned. And a huge contribution from Hero as well.
सलमान, आपने एडिट्स भी देखे हैं इस फिल्म, आपको लगता है?
They have lived up to my expectations even before I signed them. The fact that I signed them, that means they had impressed me, and we were on. So that, and then there was not one single day's reshoot that we did on this movie. If we had to reshoot something, it's because as producers, as directors and writers, we were not satisfied with our work. So when you saw the whole film in totality, say, एक scene यहाँ पे missing है, एक यहाँ पे close-up missing है, that was the only thing that we shot. 3 or 4 days of that.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, right now, I'd also like to take this point.
तो सबकी क्लास लेता हूँ. It's not only because of Suraj and Atya, because I mean, but they had to work double. I mean, I think, क्योंकि they have the responsibility of living up to, like, I mean, although Salman is saying that they had already lived up to the expectation because before he signed them on, but I think that from their point of view, they wanted to work very hard to satisfy him. I mean, from the only brief I had got from him was give them the platform and give them the launch that he got. जो जिस तरह से मुझे लॉन्च किया, जिस तरह से मुझे प्लेटफॉर्म दिया गया था उनको, just I want you to give everything to them, and that is something that I should drill into their heads every day, that when Salman watches the film, that's the only thing that matters for me, and when he watches the film, he should say, okay, you guys look as if this is not your first film. So that's the only thing.
Well said. And your favorite song from the entire album? I know it's like The Baby, but एक गाना जो आपको लगा, you know, that touched you completely.
No, so every time we recorded a song, it used to become my favorite song. Every time we did one song, I would say this is my favorite song, then we should record another song and then it would become another song. And then Salman would call me up and say that, you know, I've heard this song and maybe you should hear this song. But I would say, Salman, we already have a situation for this, a song for this situation. He said, hey, ye bhi sun le. You know, to ye bhi sun le. So like he said, we used to have 4 or 5 options for each situation. For me, I mean, I know Salman is standing here, but my favorite song is Aaj Saab song, which is the Yada Teri, which for me is a big honor that he agreed to do this song for us in this film.
A big round of applause.
Not that it was. The reason is the contemporary cinema, the contemporary people, and they have lot of energy, lot of expression of today's expression is there. देखिए अब इनका जो म्यूजिक है आज ही हिट हो गया, बहुत बड़ा हिट हो गया. मुझे याद है कि जब मैंने हीरो बनाई थी और जब हीरो रिलीज की थी तो उसका म्यूजिक हिट ही नहीं था. उसका म्यूजिक, हीरो का म्यूजिक 4 हफ्ते के बाद हिट हुआ था और पहले 2 हफ्ते तो हीरो को लोगों ने कहा कि ये फिल्म नहीं चलेगी और नहीं चली, कलेक्शन भी अच्छा नहीं थे. फिर तीसरे वीक, चौथे वीक फिल्म ने चलना शुरू किया और फिर म्यूजिक ने पकड़ना शुरू किया और वो फिल्म फिर 75 वीक तक चली.
आई होप ये भी सर 75 वीक तक चल जाए.
75 डेज तो चलनी चाहिए स्पीड के हिसाब से. एंड आई रियली
75 डेज चल जाए सर.
और नो, every department I can see in this production, Salman's productions, whether it's a marketing, whether it's a music, whether it's a technology, whether it's a director, actors, both are so beautiful. You see, हमारे actors ने, Suraj and Atya have done wonderful job, I would say, and music, marketing, everything is fantastic. And I really wish them the double hit of the previous year, whatever we made, triple hit. God bless you. Wonderful. Let's have a big hand for the hero.
Let's.
Before I start singing, I want to thank everyone from Salman Khan Films, Amar sir, Nikhil sir, Bhushan ji, Mr. Salman Khan, for having the faith in letting me sing the second version of the song. And like he said, कि हर singer को कदर होनी चाहिए, कि you know that the song he has been destined to have that song for him. So I am really blessed to have this song on my name as well.
Amal Arman, Amal Arman, Amal Arman, Amal Arman, Amal Arman. It's in the blood, I can tell you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to leave the stage up to them. Can we please have a big round of applause performing to O Khuda? Thank you.
Before we start, I'd like to thank the biggest support I have in the industry. Salman sir, thank you so much for all the support. I'd also like to thank Bhushan sir, Nikhil sir, Subhash sir, and Amal for making me part of this beautiful album.
Well, great, looks great. Also, this is, मैं हमेशा आपको कहता हूँ ना, आपका एक शॉट है जहाँ पर आप ऐसे खड़े रहते हो. आपके बैक में जितने मसल्स हैं ना, उतने पूरे बॉडी में है.
कम है.
इसमें भी कम है. Well, I think they deserve a bigger round of applause. You know, it's great to have both of you here, and I think it's that moment where we call Mr. Khan to come and perform for us.
Salman sir.
सलमान आलोक है फ्रॉम OFM।
हाँ बोलो आलोक।
सर सवाल ये है कि हीरो फिल्म है और हीरो फिल्म का जब भी जिक्र होता है तो एक पर्टिकुलर धुन याद आती है। आपके राइट में कॉर्नर पे हूँ, एनीवेज आप सुन पा रहे हैं तो अच्छा है। तो हाँ, तो वो पर्टिकुलर जो धुन थी, हीरो थीम थी, बांसुरी पे बजाई गई थी, कभी उसके बारे में सोचे आप कि वो भी रखना चाहिए या कुछ ऐसा?
सर अगर आपने इसके पहले हीरोपंती देखी होगी तो वो ट्यून उस पिक्चर में चली गई। आई थिंक द म्यूजिक वॉज विथ सारेगामा, सो साजिद टुक दैट ट्यून फॉर दैट फिल्म, तो उसको वापस से नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि हीरोपंती अभी हाल ही में रिलीज हुई है। लेकिन you've heard the music today. Subhash ji himself will agree that
You don't miss it. Music is really beautiful. You don't miss. You see, I would say that rather had they used that music, would have been not a good factor in the film. They have not used the music, same music. That is the best part of it, and still it is a hit, and still it's a beautiful.
सलमान एक
Thank you, sir.
और सवाल है कि हीरो के साथ लिखा हुआ है रेबल्स, लव एंड फ्रीडम, इन तीनों वर्ड्स में कितना यकीन रखते हैं, इत्तेफाक रखते हैं इन वर्ड्स से?
सर ये सवाल तो आप डायरेक्टर साहब से ही पूछो सर, वो तो मैंने पहली बार नोटिस किया, रेबल्स, लव एंड फ्रीडम।
और सलमान जो है तीनों में से कुछ भी नहीं है।
मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन हीरो तक के था, लव में है, फ्रीडम में है, रेबल्स में भी है थोड़ा। चांदी की डाल पर सोने का मोर, सोने का मोर, ताक झाक ताक कर नीचे का चोर। गेहूं का ये नहीं सुना था?
निखिल जी,
क्या होता है ना कि लॉट ऑफ सिंगर्स आर नॉट देयर, जैसे ना फॉर दिस फिल्म अभी वेयर इज अमल सॉन्ग, दे वांटेड सम एस्टैब्लिश्ड सिंगर टू सिंग, तो आई सेड व्हाई, ही हैज कंपोज्ड द सॉन्ग, ही सिंग्स द सॉन्ग रियली वेल. If Himesh can sing, if Vajid can sing, then why can't Amal sing? When his own uncle sings, and uncle's voice is so really good. Different voice. So why can't Amal sing? And I also thought financially it is not fair because he's composing, Arman is singing, Arman is doing shows, Arman is chapoing, and this guy is only sitting on the console and making music. तो या तो फिर भाई को दे दो 50%, वो नहीं होता तो फिर भाई भी गाएगा. तो एक फैमिली की यूनिटी के लिए कि पैसों में झगड़ा नहीं हो, कि उनकी फैमिली का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड अच्छा है. So for that, Amal sang. So he got a chance. Like Palak, for example, she's been singing since the age of 4-5. And do you know what she does? With her money, about a week ago, she has done 800 surgeries, pediatric heart surgeries. So this is what, what being human is. I mean, and she's done it on her own, without having a foundation. She just started a foundation. So on her own, she used to make money, and she used to put that money towards kids with heart conditions. So when I got to know that, she's a damn good singer. So I just thought that if she's doing such a great job, I mean, there are lots of singers who are coming in. Why not give her a song as well? So then she sang for Ek Tha Tiger. Now she's chapoing. But the money is going to a great cause. So every film I make sure that, there's something or the other of Palak. Not because of this thing what she's doing, because she has got an incredible voice and she takes it very seriously and it doesn't go to her head. Also, the reason for singing is that he sings and this song becomes a big hit. People have confidence in giving newcomers songs to sing. It all depends on the tune. It doesn't depend on the singer. An idiot like me just sang a song, yeah? He's got 12 million hits. I don't know sur from any angle, yeah? I don't know beat. He's Gaya. Gaya. Arey kahan aata yaar ye? So most of the songs I've sung without even the music. They've done the tempo for me. He sing it and I used to repeat it. Wajid used to sing it and I used to repeat it. Himesh used to sing it and I used to repeat it. So all the songs that I've done with them has been done like this because I'm not a musician. I don't know. I've not studied any music. Which I will do now since I'm singing. I'll have to do that. कि सवाल क्या था यार? हाँ, Hiral, do you remember the question? You, हाँ? क्यों गाया? इसलिए.
निखिल जी इधर बीच में सेंटर.
हाय हाय.
आपने कहा कि इस फिल्म में कल होना हो का रोमांच ही नहीं, डी डे का रोमांच भी है. तो ज्यादा क्या है, रोमांच या रोमांस? आपने मुझे कहा था कि इस फिल्म में कल होना हो का रोमांस ही नहीं,
हाँ.
डी डे जैसा रोमांच भी है.
अच्छा.
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि इसमें क्या चीज ज्यादा है? क्योंकि फिल्म का जो ट्रेलर है वो देखकर तो लगता है कि ज्यादा.
नहीं, मैं सिर्फ ये कहूंगा कि जब सलमान ने मुझे फोन किया था ये पिक्चर करने के लिए, द फर्स्ट थिंग ही सेड कि यार डी-डे जैसी रियलिस्टिक पिक्चर मत बना प्लीज. I want it bigger than life. I want it larger than life. I want scale. I want it to be in a huge kind of way to promote, to give these two a platform. But ये जिसे आपने लिखा यहाँ पे लिखा है Rebels Love Freedom. The film is about love. एक love story है. इन दोनों की love story है. सूरज और राधा की love story है. सुभाष जी की story है. और eventually कल होना हो डी-डे मैं नहीं जानता हूँ, but it's a fantastic love story जो आपको दिखाई देगा. Superb music है फिल्म में. जो सब लोग ने काम किया, बहुत मेहनत की है म्यूजिक के लिए इस फिल्म में. और बट आप पूछोगे द एक्शन इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी वेरी. हम लोग ने एक्शन में भी मेहनत की. आज म्यूजिकल नाइट है तो हम लोग म्यूजिक के बारे में बात करेंगे, बट द एक्शन इज ऑल्सो फैंटास्टिक इन द फिल्म.
Very soon we're going to have an action night as well.
Hi Salman, on your right.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi. Salman, you were just saying that you took the song and you sang it so that you can promote the movie. But do you think, would you agree that you need an established face to promote the newcomers? Be it as a singer or as a cameo?
He will answer this one. अच्छा, खुद का माइक है आपके पास. क्या पूछ रही हैं? कि you need a face to established face to promote singers?
You need T-series to promote singers.
No, but I mean, how is an established face going to promote? Oh, you're talking about Suraj and Suraj Prajatia at that time was not an established face. He produced Salman Khan in the film industry. So it is all about the film. It's all about the music, the film, and the audiences coming into the movie and liking the movie. That makes your star.
But today, established actors, the audience go more towards the film.
It could also work the other way around. कि सलमान खान ने produce की है, सलमान खान picture में नहीं है. So that also could work against us. If somebody else would have done this, like a Karan Johar or Adi Chopra, or somebody else would have launched them, they would have gone to see the film for the new boy and girl. But I am here, promoting, which is also a big scare. So it should be Salman Khan's production. We want to see Salman Khan's movie, as well as because he made a really good film last time, Bajrangi Bhaijaan. After this is his second film that he's producing, and he's launching 2 new kids. So that intrigue level has got to be there, and that intrigue level only comes from from the promos, from the music and from the promos, that you get to know that यार ये promo मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, we should go and see this film. कभी-कभी ऐसा promo होता है कि दिख जाता है कि पिक्चर में best shots ना यहीं पे promo में है, so you don't feel like going to see the movie. Right now, from the reaction that we're getting on Hero, everyone is loving it. I mean, when most of you have come to me for interviews, and the first thing I've asked you, okay, what is your feel? And everyone says that we get a really good feel about this movie. And so do the fans. I mean, on promo level, trailer level, Atiya and Suraj have already been accepted by the fans.
Hi, Suraj.
रितेश फ्रॉम ईटीवी. मेरा सवाल आपसे है, आपकी नजर में हीरो का मतलब क्या होता है? हीरो
आप भी हो, पीछे खड़े हो आप.
आपका मतलब हीरो का क्या होता है? हीरो का क्या मतलब आपके लिए?
सर, हीरो एक फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अ सेकंड के अंदर राइट डिसीजन लेकर खड़ा हो जाने वाला वो हीरो है सर.
Hi, Suraj.
नहीं समझ आया.
My question is to you and Atiya. Which is your favorite song from the album and why? Yours and Atiya's.
Hello. ये की mic चल रहा है. ये लो. Hello.
Can we have some gain on the mics, please? Yeah, thank you.
I have 2 favorite songs of mine. One is definitely मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा, and the second one is O Khuda. So I love these 2 songs.
Atiya?
बाजू में कौन बैठा है वो भी देख लो भाई. लेफ्ट
these 2 songs
देख के चलो रास्ते में, लेफ्ट देखो राइट देखो, लेफ्ट देखो राइट देखो, फिर क्रॉस करो रास्ता.
Because these 2 songs were the first songs that I heard.
Atiya, your
Mine would be definitely Main Hoon Hero Tera and Yaar Teri Yaad, because it was really close to my heart, because why laughing? Because it was really close to my heart while shooting for the song, and yeah, I really enjoyed the process of shooting for the song, so that's why.
Thank you.
Hi Salman here. Nilesh from Think Market Magazine. What was your biggest challenge as a producer?
कार्ड दिखाओ पहले.
आपका biggest challenge बताइए as a producer for this film.
Hello.
What was the biggest challenge for you?
The biggest challenge for me in this movie was not to care about the budget, because we caring about the budget little either udhar could just make this film into a disastrous film. So the kind of budgets that I work on, we've done the same budget for Atiya and for Suraj.
Hi Salman.
Because their journey starts from this film onwards. So we didn't want to leave any stone unturned. So from the music to selection of the director, from him spending, days and nights with these 2, and they going through all their training and stuff like that, all dancing, action, all that stuff. So I was working in Bajrangi, but my concentration was more here than Bajrangi, because I've seen my life journey. Now from here, what? As a hero, how many years? 35, 40 years, I'll do well. But हाँ, इतना कम है क्या? तो their career starts now. ऐसा नहीं that finger should point at me कि आपने तो यार मरवाई दी हम लोगों को.
हाय सलमान, यहाँ आपने कहा जो एक फ्रैक्शन में डिसीजन ले वो सही हीरो है. सलमान कितने बड़े हीरो है उनके हिसाब से?
वो क्राइसिस में मैं आजकल भाग जाता हूँ.
Hello. Thank you so much.
मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही.
Can you please have the mic?
Whenever you have collaborated with 2 of the biggest Khans of the industry, Shah Rukh and Salman, you have given blockbuster hits. And both of these Khans have great sense of music. So could you tell us how was it working with both of them, and what kind of musical sensibilities do these 2 Khans have?
मैंने रियलिटी पे बात करूंगा कि मैंने सलमान भाई का गाना अभी सुना है, तो शाहरुख खान साहब का सुनूंगा तो मेरे लिए अभी
चांस ही नहीं है. ये तो लूजिंग बैटल है. ये तो सुनो ही नहीं. मैं सुना हूं, वो खुद मेरा हाथ उठा देगा.
तो फिर जवाब सलमान भाई ने दे दिया
आमिर
है।
भी दोनों ऐसे।
तो म्यूजिक सेंस की बात आप कर रहे थे, तो सलमान भाई तो खुद गा सकते हैं। इज दैट ट्रू? आपने मुझे दुबई में डांस करवाया था। इन्होंने क्या किया, दुबई में मुझे एक शो था, वहां पे इन्होंने कहा कि हमने इकट्ठे गाना गाना है, सलमान भाई ने, और उसके बाद मुझे डांस करवाने लग गए। तो मेरे लिए वो चीज हो ही नहीं पा रही थी। आज मैं देख के मेरा दिल को बड़ी ठंडक पहुंची कि आपको पता लग रहा है कि जो मेरे साथ हो रहा था।
Nikhil, hi, Farid. Nikhil, on your left.
We'll have the last two questions.
Yeah, Faridun from Bollywood Hangama.
अरे सर मेरे तो हाथ पैर कांप रहे थे।
Hi, Faridun.
Yeah, hi. I believe Karan Johar has seen the movie and he has really liked Hero and
Yeah.
he's tweeted about that as well. But
Yeah.
apparently Mr. Khan hasn't seen the movie yet. So when are you showing the movie to?
यार तुम ऑफ वाले तुम यहाँ पे बता रहे हो? ऑफ रिकॉर्ड बोला था ना मैं तुमको ये। हाँ?
So on
मैं
record,
नहीं
on
बोला था
record,
तुमको।
on record.
Hangama.com?
On record बोला था।
Yeah, so Salman has seen the cut of the film. He hasn't seen the copy which he's going to see day after tomorrow. So this I'll call you as soon as he finishes watching it.
I've seen the whole film.
I have your number,
I've seen the
Faridun. You
whole
keep
film.
WhatsApping me. So many million people have watched your interview. So
What's your reaction to Mr. Karan Johar's?
अगर उसको बोलो कि ट्वीट थोड़ा सिंपल कर दे, हिंदी में कर दे।
Okay. So what is your reaction to Karan Johar's tweet about your?
Well, I spoke to him and he had very good things to say about the film. He saw it last night and he couldn't believe the performance given by Suraj and Athiya. He thought that the exact words what he said, it's a breezer, and I just love the fact that both of them have done such a great job. It doesn't look as if it's their first film.
And he also could not believe the work that Nikhil Advani has done in it.
That also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Amar Botala, what is the screen count of the movie? If you can please tell us.
The screen count of the movie, we should ask the man right at the corner there, Nandu. Full justice will be done and good release will be given to the film, yeah. I think the full justice will be done with the film and a good release will be given to the film.
According to reports, it's been said that you have been a part of the editing of 30 minutes of the film, and especially the kissing scene also. So,
There was no kissing scene in the film. We wanted to put one, but they refused.
but then there are reports that you were
It's
the
okay.
one who...
Why haven't you done it? Why haven't you done it? I've never done a kissing scene. So how can I ask them to do it? And I don't think he's also interested. I don't think they're also interested. I don't think anyone's interested. I don't even think you're interested. They're just asking me that question.
So what was the reason that you deleted
Why
30
would you
minutes?
want to see somebody else kiss? You should kiss yourself.
But why did you delete the 30 minutes of the film?
Yes, that is true. That is true. See, we used Subhash ji's epic as a storyboard. बोलते ना कि यार वो थोड़ी सी 20 मिनट कम होनी चाहिए थी, तो हमने वो 20 मिनट निकाल दिए. For the betterment of your watching.
We'll have one last question here.
Yeah, last question here. My question is to Suraj and Adya. I'm Hardik here from Zoom. Hi Suraj here. On your right. Left, sorry. So, who is your real life hero whom you admire the most apart Salman Khan and your parents?
Sorry. Say it again once.
Who is your real life hero whom you admire the most apart Salman Khan and your parents? Same
Athiya-
question goes to Athiya too.
Athiya Shetty.
Suraj Pancholi, he's my hero.
सब correct answer दे रहे हैं. What you gave me, I'm going to give it back to you too. Wait. I think it's no, I think abhi ye sub faces are getting like the next boy that we are going to launch. He's not a star kid, but he has the potential. And it is not because they're star kids. It's because he's Suraj and she's Athiya, and they're damn good at what they do. That is the reason. They just happen to be born in this industry. Like I happen to be born in this industry. I'm a writer's son. So he's a star. He was a star writer, but he was not a star. Ajay Devgan was a fight master's son who was a fighter. He became a star. There are lots of star sons who've not done well. So it's complicated. Destiny, you don't have any hold or grasp on destiny. You don't know what's going to happen in the next 5 minutes. So अभी 4 दिन बाकी है रिलीज के लिए.
All right, this will be the final one. I think this is the final question. All right, guys.
Why not?
It was good because he never made me feel that he was my father on set. And it was an amazing experience working with him. I've seen his films before, but I realized how good of an actor he was when I actually worked with him. Because when you are in the same house, you're not really interested in what your parents are doing. I think it's in in every house. But when I worked with him, I'm so surprised by seeing my father being such a good and amazing performer. Yes.
I think that'll be it because yes, that'll be it. Thank you very much. Come.
पूछो यार. या पूछो भाई, बगल से हाथ निकालो, पूछो.
I think hello.
Saying that you're
What, louder? Do you know what he was
that'll
doing?
be it. Could you please?
इससे आवाज लाउड आती है बिना माइक के.
सुभाष जी आपसे मेरा क्वेश्चन है.
सर आए दिन खबरें आती है कि आप बिग बॉस नहीं कर रहे हो, सडनली डू एन स्पेशल एंट्री. तो कैन वी से दैट कि चैनल कैन नॉट अफोर्ड लूजिंग यू, कि वही चाहते हैं कि आप भी करें बिग बॉस सीजन? कोई
नहीं, you know, last season Farah did. Farah's TRP after me was Farah's TRP was higher than mine.
I hope that has answered your question, and thank you very much. That's about it.